Hey! Jitte! What's up guys, my name is Jason and welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson, we're learning Kata Jitte, 10 hands. In theory, the old masters used to say that Kata Jitte, if you practice it enough, you would be able to defend against 10 opponents simultaneously. If you guys are ready, let's get right into it. All right, Kata Jitte, take a bow, os, yoi, okay, like so. Yoi position, right hand is closed, left hand on top, thumb inside. Okay, first move, you're gonna do a hooking block, stepping back into Zen Kutsudachi. Ich. Okay, front hand comes down, hooks around your opponent's strike. Okay, hips are in slightly hamni position. They're not in shoman, not square, not all the way to the back, just at a slight angle. Okay, your front hand lands about shoulder height, not too low, not too high. Right around here. Second move, I look to the corner and I go pressing up with my left palm, pressing down with my right palm in Zen Kutsudachi. Third move, I press down with my left hand, right around just above my elbow, right here. As I do that, I look and shift, strike with the ridge of my hand, okay? Shifting into Kibadachi horse stance. Okay, this is slightly jodan. It could be to your opponent's neck or temple up here. Okay, so ich. Now from here, I go 3 teishoke down the middle. I wind up, okay? From this position, left hand shoots out, left leg comes in, right hand pulls back. Okay, palm heel strike or block. Okay, I'm gonna move 2 more times going forward. Ich and knee. So from this position, I'm gonna scoop up, jujioke, rising X block, cross my right leg over my left, and I'm gonna step down hard, shift into Kibadachi, double downward block. Okay, from here, 2 hands, palms facing the front, come together, and shift again into Yama Kamai, the mountain fighting position. Okay, from this position, Fumikomi and double forearm strike. Okay, you repeat 2 more times, ich. And on number 3, kiai. Now from this position, I bring my arms up and down, okay? Up and down. Feet coming hip width apart, hands to the side. Now from here, I'm gonna strike with my right hand with the shuto uchi, and then catch the bow. So in some theories, you're catching a bow here, but I like to think you're coming from underneath to your opponent. Okay, block, like so. Okay, block and strike. There's many interpretations. Now coming up, I'm gonna rotate the bow, and then kind of wind up like a pitcher. Hide your hands or the theoretical bow behind you, and strike again, shifting into Zen Kutsudachi. So block, coming underneath. This can be very powerful if you jab it correctly. Same thing, repeat. Hide. Now from here, I'm gonna spin to my rear to manji-uke. Okay, in kokutsudashi, back stance. From here, I shift to the other side, same thing. Okay, stepping to the front and finishing off the kata, you do 4 age-uke, rising block. So a wind up, rising block to the middle. Another rising block. These are aggressive, offensive. To the back, and the last one, because jitte is a very spacious kata, you take a lot of room, you take a big, gigantic leap. And yame, spinning around and bow. Os. Alright, so now that you guys have a better understanding of the kata, I'm going to count it out for you guys step by step. So here we go. Okay, first, take your bow. Os. Now to kata. Jitte. Yoi. Ich. Ni. Sam. Shi. Go. Ruk. Sich. Hutch. Hu. Jup. Ich. Ni. Hai. Sam. Shi. Go.